In this short demo, we're going to go over how to use BingeWave for classes. So it starts with having a list of your classes online, and then students can either get passes to the class if it's a per class basis, or be admitted on a subscription basis. And this video on demand option here is when class is over, they can always come back and then rewatch the class afterwards. So starting as a student, I'm going to get access to this class. And when I access the actual live stream, it will come up in this open full screen option. I click the open full screen, and then your video pops up top. Hi, you're the teacher. And then if you scroll down, you will see your student underneath. And here we have a student named Stara. The tool for teaching is a shared code editor where students and teachers can engage over a piece of code at the same time and work together on it. So it starts by clicking on the three dots. Here you have your online users in their chat. Here it's currently active in the class, and then you have the share notepad option. When this opens up, it will first open up into a collaborative notepad that's just a regular Word document. And again, everyone can write on it and it shows everyone at the same time. But then you have over here, this is a code editor. And the code editor is actual code being written. So the first thing you can do is you can start to make a file and then write some code in it. Now what's really cool about this editor is that you can have multiple files in here. So let's create a JS file. And then finally, at the end of the class, students are able to then download all of this information into their own zip files on their computer by simply clicking Save. One of the features added to help best manage the class is on-screen instructions. And here we're going to go over voting and how to send time instructions on screen. So coming to the multi-line message, we're going to enter a task. And then after the assignment is entered that you want the students to do, you could come down here and select what is the time that the students have to complete this task, and then you can show the timer. And then here you will see a timer appear on screen with the task above. You can also have voting integrated with the on-screen engagement as well. Here we're going to change the position of the voting. And just like that, a vote will appear on screen where students can now select an option and then submit their votes. Another cool feature is how you can put students on stage. So currently, while you're the main person on stage, you can actually put yourself in the student place and then have the student be on stage as well. And here we put Star on stage, where now she can give a demonstration of what she wants to do in class. And then afterwards, we're able to then put her back into the audience and put yourself back on stage. One of the things that students do not feel comfortable with is sharing their screen online, and they can be self-conscious at times. So we made a feature where they can hide their screen from other students and only share with the teacher. So clicking on this little option here, this will hide the student's screen from all other students in the class, but the teacher can still see the student and make sure they're currently engaged.